ready for an extreme closet makeover. Today's video is sort of like extreme makeover home edition closet style. We're gonna be redoing my daughter Presley's closet. I'll kind of insert what the before looked like on the screen here. We're also going to be redoing my son Landon's closet. So I've taken everything out. I'm ready to do a huge purge. You kind of see here, it sort of looks like hoarder's style in her room currently at the moment. And I had some built-ins installed in the closet, as you can see behind me there. So get ready, you're gonna organize with me and we're going to get this closet up and running. And because you guys are the best supporters in the world, make sure you click the thumbs up, leave a comment of how you're doing down below, subscribe if you're new, and if you like the Cleaning Queen shirt, check out my Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description box too. I always like to show you the method to my madness before I get going, in case you are looking for how to organize your closet, how to do a purge, or if you want to do this along with me. I have a donate bin. I'm just using my different laundry baskets. I have a bin of everything that needs to go into storage in case baby number 3 is a girl. I have things that I'm going to keep into the closet, and I might be like sorting by which side of the closet, or things I want to hang, things that I'm going to put into drawers or bins. And then I have trash and a trash bag over here. And I did end up getting some new hangers for the kids' closets. They're these velvet ones with the rose gold, and these are all from Amazon, so I will link these for you as well. Okay, it is time to tackle this hoarder style pile of stuff that was all in the closet previously. So the first thing I wanted to do was just wipe down all of the built-ins, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's peony scent for this. I love it for in Presley's room. It just smells so soft and feminine. And all of the built-ins, I went through Home Depot. This is not sponsored by them, but it was really convenient because I saw my girlfriend do this to her closets, and I called them up. They came into the house, they measured every single closet, and on the spot, they could show me virtual makeups of different types of built-ins that I could have in my closet and what the exact prices would be for some of the different options. So I just thought it was way less than I was expecting it to be for every single closet. So decided to do this because cleaning and organizing just make me feel so at peace and just help me, I feel like, be a better mom. I can be more zen and relaxed and chill when I feel like everything has a place, and when I open up a closet, it doesn't stress me out. So I decided it was time. I'm just so excited, and I will be doing the master closet in an upcoming video with Adam, just because I want him to be a part of how we purge and reorganize that. And I'm going to do the foyer coat closet on IGTV, so make sure you're following me over on Instagram.
What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you. And you got me too.
Okay, so I'll give you guys a fast little tour. All of those except for one that had some old cards for Presley, I moved up there because I think I'm just gonna move this down to the basement now for storage down there. And then I put these 3 baskets. One has sheets, one has books, and the other one, or it has hangers in it right now. We did have diapers in it, but I'm just gonna keep all of the diapers in that drawer underneath her changing station because she's in pull-ups now anyways, so she isn't even really getting changed up there very much. But I put the blanket basket, the hat basket, socks and shoes here. And the only thing I want to look for is either some kind of contact paper or like liner that can kind of cover up where they patched from the old closet. That was the only thing with the install. Even though they like patch everything, they do it all so quickly, you don't have time to really get in there and paint. So I want to find some kind of maybe like paper that I can just line, kind of, maybe even if it's just the center one, because you really don't see anything when the clothes are hanging. But I put all of her summer and spring clothes here, and all of her like sweaters or fur vest or jackets, like heavier winter stuff that she's really not going to be using now that we're in spring going into summer. And I put her little hat there for now. And I love that not all of these drawers are used. So I have all of her sunglasses, and I ended up taking out a bunch of the bows I originally put in here, and I don't know, we'll figure out something else for that. This one, I forgot, I put an extra ballet uniform there because I knew I was going to put her ballet costume, but this is empty. It just has some storage containers in it. And here, I'm going to put her other ballet outfit here, but this is basically ballet and bathing suits. And I put them on the lower drawer so that she can kind of self-serve. And then this side is really just empty for her to grow into. Or if we ever were to have another girl and they were to share a room, I mean, there's more than enough space so that each of them kind of has a set of hanging stuff. But I just put her book bag here, the donation basket, and for now, I'm just keeping the Christmas stuff here. I could move all of the Christmas storage stuff downstairs, and I might, but there was so much space in here, and those are her like record players and Elvis Presley records. But for now, I just figured I would leave the Christmas storage in there too. So, and the one thing I asked about, just because, I don't know if you can tell, like the door is already off. I just feel like I would rather have the doors that open up. So if you are a carpenter or know a carpenter, I'm curious if you could tell me what the price would be to like change these sliding doors into doors that would have like hinges on the framing there that you could just open up, so that it would just be sort of easier, I think, to access everything too. But let me know. And one other thing I forgot to say, where Goalie is, they forgot the pieces, so there's I have no idea what she's doing there, but there's supposed to be like a white piece on the bottom, and there's supposed to be molding here too, and same thing, like white pieces on the bottom there. So they're actually coming back to do that, but they said it was no problem. I could put everything in the closet, and that was just an easy thing that they would tack on at the end. So I think by the time I do whatever sort of either wallpaper or paint or stuff behind there and the bottom gets finished, I'll do like a official reveal share of it completely completed. Coley, come on out of there. Come on. You goof. But I feel like Presley's closet is now off to a great start. Like there's definitely some things I like wanted to get the liner, and I don't really think I need to change the baskets. I really don't want to like have any more of an expense since I, you know, just spent all this money getting all those built-ins put in. But it is something that I think like through the years we can evaluate if like a different sort of like basket system would just function a little bit better. But for right now, I feel like it's working really, really good, and it just makes my heart so happy to look at that closet and see the rose gold hangers, let me tell you. And just like the bright, crisp white, like there's something about it that just feels like fresh and tidy and clean and organized. But Are you ready to do Mr. Landon's room with me now? So here's the hoarders section of Landon's room. I'm gonna do the same kind of setup of the stuff that I'm gonna keep and trash, and there's the donation basket. But first I'm gonna wipe out his closet just like I did for Presley's.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I did not realize I caught my hand and I'm like bleeding all over the place. Crap.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
What?
All this stuff looks like it's gone.
Right, you want to open your closet?
Whoa. So many fresh shorts up there.
Do you like it?
Hey, why is there two big shorts up there?
Because that's where I put all the Christmas decoration. Look at the other side. Open the other door.
No, I already looked in there. I looked from this door to there.
Well, the camera can't see that well. There, now the camera can see. Do you like it?
Hey, it has that one here.
Yeah. What letter's that?
Hey, but hey, those keyholes nails in here.
They're for nails. That used to be, remember when we used to have it hanging on your wall in your old bedroom? Above your crib? Put it right there. Want me to give you a little tour of where everything is?
What?
Here, I'll give you a tour. So all of the Christmas decorations are up there. This is all of his like childhood mementos. I have like sheets and blankets in this basket. All of your hats are in this basket. In here is just some of his like electronic stuff. I put his snow pants in here. I feel like that's kind of weird. I might move them after I get the drawers a little more situated, but I just did his sunglasses here. Then these are all his clothes that need to get washed for summer and the other drawer organizers. I need to like organize the drawers truly, but I put all of his summer swim stuff in here. Please stop yelling, I'm trying to talk, okay? And in here is all of his soccer and baseball sports stuff. And again, I like want the bottom drawer to be so that they can self-serve for their activities and like get their clothes out and get themselves ready. That's you and Gigi when you were a baby, yeah. We have to hang that back up on your wall too. And hang that back up. Okay, so on this side of his closet, I did the same thing as Presley's. I put all of the colder weather sweaters and sweatshirts up here. His Harry Potter robe and Harry Potter books and sorting hat. I put the excess hangers here so that we can hang more stuff if we need to. And then all of his like longer sleeved flannel shirts and short sleeve polo shirts, t-shirts and jerseys are here. And all your pull-ups are right down there.
Now can get them off.
I know, that's why we did this, so that it's easier for you to get your own clothes out. Can you hang it back up too? Oh, hey babe. What's up, girlfriend? Isn't that nice now? You can get your own shirts on and off of here and help put away your laundry. And then his pull-ups are down there too, so he's able to get those out easily. You see, all your pull-ups are down there?
Hey, there's only 3 bins of them.
Huh?
There's only 3 bins of them.
Only 3 bins. Presley, do you want to go see your closet?
Yeah.
I did it today while you were at Gigi's house. Here, go down to your room. Come look at your closet.
See how you can get yours down off of there too, your shorts.
You like it? Does it look nice?
But you gotta hook them off like this. That's what you do. That'll go like that. Yes.
Yeah, so then this way you can help get your own clothes out and start learning how to put your clothes back too. Don't climb on anything, Landon. You can't climb on stuff, okay?
Look at these.
Do you like it?
Look at these.
Coley likes going in there. She went in there and sat in there earlier. Well, I hope you guys like seeing how I organize these new closets. It's really, really cool to do an extreme closet makeover of Landon and Presley's room, and our master bedroom is next. So if you like this one, make sure that you're subscribed, have that bell notification turned on so you can see how our master closet turned out. I'm seriously so excited. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But thanks so much for watching this video, just for all your support and kindness in the comments and following our family's journey. And I cannot wait to make more videos for you guys when it comes to cleaning, organizing, and decorating over these next few months. I'll see you in my next video, and in the meantime, you can catch up on some of my other videos here. And be sure to follow my socials and my blog. It's bitsofbri.com if you want to stay connected in the meantime. Bye, love.